what is up guys, welcome to the channel. This is me Audi, and today we are in Sattal. We are staying in Prerna Residency. It's a budget friendly option and very close to the main Sattal trail as well as the Christian Ashram height. So the reason I wanted to have this trip is primarily for the summer migrants like the long-tailed broadbill and paradise flycatchers and all. So let's see. Pied thrush is also being seen recently, so I definitely try for that as well. So today morning I'll go to the hide just for the common green magpies and rufous throated partridge if I get to see them. Otherwise, I'll not bore you guys with a lot of hide footages. I'll just hit the trail and look for my target species. So yeah, let's see how the trip goes. The primary reason why I choose to stay at Prerna Residency is because it's walking distance away from the primary Sattal trail and the main Sattal Christian Ashram hide. We went to the ashram hide at 6 am in the morning. Since we want to utilize our day mostly in the trail, we decided to stay not more than 7 am there. Upon reaching the hide, we noticed there were not much activity, but a blue-throated barbet came to the hide. We also got some common birds like the Khalij pheasants feeding in the hide. We also got to see an Asian emerald dove, an uncommon bird, in the hide as well. Surprisingly, a barking deer came to quench its thirst and drink some water from the hide. Just when I was preparing to leave the hide to hit the trail, a pair of yellow-throated marten came to the hide. This was the first time I saw a pair of marten in the hide. After our hide session, we went towards Chafi to look for our primary target bird, the long-tailed broadbill. So we had a great fruitful hide session today morning. Now Praveen is here and we are looking for the broadbills. So we are at Chafi right now. This is the habitat. Let's see if we can spot the broadbills. From the road itself, my guide Praveen spotted a long-tailed broadbill, but it was far off, so we could not take a good shot of it. So we decided to head down towards the river. So we have spotted the broadbill. We got some shots, but not great. So we are waiting here patiently. Let's see if it comes and gives us any better shot. A lot of paradise flycatchers are also here, but yeah, beautiful place. So let's see if the broadbill allows us to take any good shots. I can see a barking deer as well in front of me. We also got to see the barking deer in the hide as well, which was a surprise. Let's see if I can take a shot of this barking deer. A lot of Indian paradise flycatchers were also there, but they did not allow us to take any good shots. When I was clicking the Indian paradise flycatcher, a single long-tailed broadbill perched right in front of us and gave us ample amount of time to film it. Every time I visit Chafi, I make sure to look for the tawny fish owl, and this time as well, I got to see it. However, a drongo was actually disturbing it a lot. So we had a great time in Chafi. Now we are heading towards the Sattal studio region, my most favorite place in entire Sattal. Beautiful habitat. Praveen is in front of me. So we are going to look for pied thrush. It was being seen here. Let's see if we can find it. Otherwise we'll just sit down and enjoy some birds. Let's see what all we can find here. This is the beautiful habitat of studio. This place is called studio, but it's a natural water stream where the birds come to take bath or drink water. So we'll sit down here and let's see what all bird comes. Oh, there is a common kingfisher there. Since it was late in the morning and sunlight was extremely harsh, we did not see too many activities in the Sattal studio point. The first bird that we clicked in the Sattal studio point was a common kingfisher, perched. We also got to see a bird-eater flycatcher right in front of us. We also got a cute little ultramarine flycatcher male in this place, and it made sure that we get some good shots. And with that, we concluded our morning birding session around Sattal.